Hey everyone, welcome back to Gun Fanatics. Today, we're taking a closer look at the elite class of handguns firearms built to meet the high expectations of military operators, law enforcement personnel, and serious shooters alike. We're talking about pistols that combine cutting-edge features with rock-solid dependability. Whether you're a veteran of concealed carry or just starting out, this deep dive into the best compact tactical handguns of 2024 is something you won't want to miss. So get comfortable, and let's break down the finest carry pistols on the market right now. Heckler and Koch VP9SK. Let's start with the Heckler and Koch VP9SK, a compact powerhouse that takes everything great about the full-size VP series and shrinks it into a more concealable frame. This is one of the finest subcompact options available today, built with the same legendary German engineering that Heckler and Koch is known for. The VP9SK is exceptionally well-balanced, and in my experience, it offers some of the best ergonomics out there for a carry-sized handgun. Thanks to its interchangeable backstraps and lateral grip panels, you can customize the grip to fit your hand like a glove. There are also finger grooves molded into the front strap that guide your grip placement for better control under pressure. Handling is further enhanced by the rear slide wings, which give you more leverage when racking the slide. The serrations are deep, aggressive, and easy to grip even with wet or gloved hands. Combine that with a precisely tuned striker fired trigger, and you get fast, accurate shooting with every pull. The trigger brake is clean, with a tactile reset that makes follow-up shots quick and instinctive. It carries 10+1 rounds of 9mm, giving you solid capacity in a small, easily concealable package. One of the features that really stands out is the pair of plastic tabs at the back of the slide, what H&K calls charging supports. They give you better purchase when manipulating the slide, and they line up nicely with the rear sight for improved control during press checks or malfunctions. The VP9SK offers series performance, superb reliability, and comfort that's hard to match, all wrapped up in a compact design that disappears easily under a shirt or jacket. FN509. Next up, we've got the FN509, a duty pistol that's become a favorite among professionals who demand both performance and rugged reliability. This gun was originally developed for the U.S. Army's modular handgun system trials, and while it didn't take the top slot in that competition, it certainly proved itself as a combat-ready sidearm. At its core, the 509 is built for accuracy, consistency, and control. It comes standard with a flat face trigger and a crisp, predictable striker system that delivers clean breaks and quick resets every time. That means you can stay on target and send accurate follow-ups with confidence. Capacity is also a highlight. You get 3 17-round magazines, all made of durable steel. That's a serious amount of firepower in a package that still fits comfortably in a duty holster or concealed carry setup. One of the first things you'll notice is the grip texture. It's thoughtfully designed with 4 different textured zones across the backstrap, front strap, and sides. It gives you a firm hold without chewing up your hands after a long day at the range. Even the area beneath the slide stop is textured to help with thumb placement and recoil management. Another clever touch is the cutout at the base of the magazine well, which lets you strip a stuck mag quickly in a worst-case scenario. Small details like this make the 509 incredibly user-focused, and that's why it's earned a place among the top contenders for duty or defensive carry. If you're looking for a handgun that brings reliability, modular features, and real-world performance to the table, the FN509 is a heavy hitter worth serious consideration. Walther PDP Compact. Don't let the name fool you. The Walther Performance Duty Pistol Compact may be labeled as compact, but this pistol delivers the kind of performance you'd expect from a full-size duty gun. Thanks to the growing availability of high-quality concealment holsters, its slightly larger footprint is no longer a drawback for those who carry daily. Built with tactical applications in mind, the PDP Compact offers outstanding control and seamless handling. The slide is milled to accept optic adapter plates, letting you run red dot sights with ease, while a sleek cover plate maintains the clean lines when you're running iron sights only. The factory sights might not look flashy, but don't underestimate them. They're incredibly effective, and the adjustable rear sight gives you room to fine-tune your point of aim. Walther's super-terrain serrations run deep across the slide, making press checks, slide racking, and malfunction drills fast and natural even in wet or glove conditions. Where the PDP Compact really sets itself apart is in its trigger system. Walther's Performance Duty trigger is one of the best in the striker-fired world, featuring a crisp, clean break and a quick reset that supports fast, accurate follow-up shots. The trigger alone elevates the shooting experience and gives this pistol a serious edge over other compact competitors. While it might push the limits of what some would call compact, the PDP Compact more than makes up for it with customizability, top-tier ergonomics, and consistent real-world performance. Whether you're carrying for defense or using it in a professional role, this pistol easily earns a spot among the best in class. Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. Up next, we have the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro, an evolution of the original Hellcat that first launched back in 2019. This upgraded version refines everything that made the original popular while pushing capacity, control, and optics readiness to a whole new level. Right out of the gate, the Hellcat Pro delivers an impressive 15+1 rounds of 9mm, offering a duty-level payload in a package slim enough for everyday carry. That's a serious leap from the 11+1 of its predecessor and puts it head-to-head with much larger handguns when it comes to firepower. The polymer frame features a thoughtfully contoured grip with an undercut trigger guard to promote a high, secure hold. Springfield calls the grip texture their pyramid and ledge pattern, and it works surprisingly well. Short, sharp pyramids provide bite, while the flat, top taller ones give your palm something stable to anchor against, resulting in solid traction without discomfort. The Hellcat Pro slide is cut for red dot optics using the Shield RMSC footprint, allowing for easy installation of popular micro-reflex sights like the Romeo Zero. This dramatically improves speed to target and accuracy, especially under stress. For those who prefer traditional sights, the pistol comes equipped with tritium night-day sights, bright and easy to pick up, even in low light conditions. In testing, this pistol remains accurate and reliable at distances up to 25 yards, without a single hiccup. What really makes this pistol shine for concealed carry professionals is its adaptive grip texture. It molds to your hand as you apply pressure, creating a locked-in feel that resists slipping, no matter the conditions. Wet hands, gloves, sweat, it handles them all with confidence. The Hellcat Pro is more than just an upgrade. It's a purpose-built tool that combines compact concealability with full-size performance. For those who need reliability, capacity, and speed all in one package, this pistol checks every box. Sig Sauer P365. Few handguns have shaken up the concealed carry world like the Sig Sauer P365. Despite its ultra-compact frame, this pistol has earned a massive following among both civilians and professionals, from daily carriers to armed security and off-duty officers. Available in 380 ACP and 9mm, it's the 9mm version that dominates in popularity and sales. What makes the P365 such a standout is its impressive magazine capacity. The standard magazine holds 10 rounds, but extended magazines can push that number even higher, giving you full-size firepower in a pistol small enough to disappear under a t-shirt. For concealed carriers who refuse to compromise on performance, this handgun hits a sweet spot few others can match. Even shooters with larger hands will appreciate how the grip is designed. It feels secure without being bulky. Sig kept the external controls minimal, just a slide stop, takedown lever, and a well-placed magazine release. There's no manual thumb safety, which may seem like a drawback to some, but in practice, the simplicity enhances usability and reduces the chance of operator error under pressure. The trigger system and internal safeties more than make up for it. In terms of real-world performance, this pistol runs reliably, points naturally, and delivers excellent accuracy for its size. The P365 is living proof that a micro-compact can perform like a much larger gun, making it a cornerstone in the world of everyday carry. Glock 19 Generation 5. The Glock 19 Gen 5 continues to set the bar for duty-ready pistols, and for good reason. It's widely trusted by military units and law enforcement agencies across the globe, and it's just as respected among civilian shooters for everyday carry. This compact combat pistol delivers a perfect balance of size, capacity, and shootability. With a 15-round magazine standard, it offers more than enough firepower while still being small enough for concealed carry with the right holster setup. And thanks to Glock's enormous aftermarket support, users can personalize almost every aspect, whether it's upgraded sights, enhanced triggers, or slide modifications. The Marksman barrel, introduced with Generation 5, boosts accuracy through improved rifling and tighter tolerances. The frame has been reshaped as well, doing away with the old finger grooves and offering a more universally comfortable grip. Ambidextrous slide, stop levers now come standard, and the flared magazine helps streamline reloads under stress. Glock also toughened up the surface treatment, offering better protection against wear and corrosion. Put all these refinements together with Glock's long-standing reputation for durability and simplicity, and it's easy to see why the Glock 19 Gen 5 is the go-to sidearm for those who value dependability above all.